Hi you guys, and welcome back to another video. My name is Lori. I know, Miss Lady Lori, whatever. Just don't call me late for dinner. Okay, I got this like literally in the first few days. I think it was like the 3rd, 4th of January. That is the AIA. This is the AIA beauty bundle that is now monthly. $35 a month. Used to be every other month. It is not anymore. Now, who was our curator for this month? Well, I'm about to tell you. Inside this beautiful pink box right here that says, be strong, be beautiful, be you. You get this. This card right here that comes inside has the name of who curated. So basically it's all of their products. Like we've had Manicadar. We have had, you know, I could go through a whole bunch and just keep going and going. First Aid Beauty. We've had Glow Recipe. You get the gist of it. Okay, so this is Jason Wu Beauty. This is who we're getting for February. And those are all the products on the front of the card. Really nice hard stock card. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're getting 8 items this month. So how much is the whole total box value? Well, it's supposed to be over, and you're only paying $35 a month. So you do the math. How much was everything on the back when you add it all up? That total is going to be at the end of the video. All right. There's everything you got. All right, we're done. I'm just kidding. Okay, so I was gonna not do my makeup, right? After Sassy did all of her skincare and she recorded her Mask Monday and my face just felt fantastic, but I had to let it rest because of other things that she did to my face. And it did take a little bit of having and needing it to calm down. So it's not too bad. Don't just, she was nice to my face, but I'm just saying that she did some things that my face needed to calm down, you know. But anyhow, so Jason Wu. Let's get back to American Influencer. Let's get back to this. My point was I was going to use this and do a look today, but I'm going to do a video, a makeup tutorial, get ready with me, with all of this stuff from American Influencer. Not today because my makeup's already done. I've got a lot of recording to do. And at the end of the day, I'm going to take this stuff off, relax, and then maybe tomorrow or the next day, we'll do a makeup look with Jason Wu. All right, the first one we have is called The Bush. I mean, seriously, really? What's the first thought that came to your mind? And don't say Sassy. Because if she was here right now, which she is, she's listening in, she's always eavesdropping, the first thing she'd say is, landscaping, we had the landscape today. Yes, that's what she would do. This is called The Bush. The Bush is a vegan formula brow soap to tame unruly, bushy brows. She's strong, she's mighty, she's your brow's best friend. She's uplifting, and she'll be there holding your brow hair to the wee hours. That's cool. It's for 14 bucks. It does say, just in case, if you happen to get this box and you're wondering why your brow soap is not working, you have to spray this. Okay, you have to activate it. Get a spray bottle with just water, just room temperature water, and spray it first. It activates the soap. If not, this is just tacky wax. So make sure you spray it first, you guys. Pretty cool. I have so many other brow products. Not to mention, I get a microbladed, so I just do a couple flickas and touch up a couple areas. And other than that, I don't do too much to my brows. Okay, we do have 2 lip products. One is the Stay in Line Royal, and the other is Stay in Line Parisian Chic, and they're each $10. These look like lip liners. Stay in Line is a soft and creamy lip liner pencil that's designed to fill, shape, and line the lips. Okay. So here's the one. Is this it? It's a crayon lip liner pencil. So check out that color right there. It's kind of like a mocha. It's a soft mocha. It reminds me of, what color is this one? And then see, so I'm going to put them side by side, okay? Because the boxes, even the color of the boxes is different. But look at, see the end? There's a reason for that, because there's 2 bullets in here, lipstick bullets. And it doesn't say like what the color is on each one. It just says Royal and Chic, Parisian Chic. Okay, this is the Chic or Parisian Chic. It's boring. Yeah, try to find it. That exactly. Thank you very much. It's right here. It's boring. And I mean, there's not anything really on my skin. There's no scratches. It's not, you know, I have no idea what that is. Sorry, Jason. No, actually, I'm not, because I bought this from you and I don't like it. I think the color's dull. All right, here's the other one. Let's go right beside it. Very creamy. They do go on like butter. Seriously. There it is right there. But it does not look the same at all, does it? This is it. I don't know. You guys let me know. I mean, everybody's opinion and everybody's taste is going to be different when it comes to stuff like this, products and things like this. Somebody might say, you know what, that's the exact same color that would just melt right in with my lip shade, and you guys might fall in love with it. I don't prefer it. This is not a preference of mine, and it was my money that purchased this. So am I happy with these lip colors? No. Are these lip pencils very universal? Yes. You know why? Because they go with just about any skin tone, from your person of color all the way to your very light skin tone. So you're all the way to dark shade. This right here, it would look like you have nothing on. All right, we're wasting too much time. $10, not worth it. 5, maybe. And then you have the Magic Mate, or Magic Matte Oil. Yeah, this is interesting. This is $16. It says oily to matte, which my face does do instantly. It's like magic. Yes, oil but matte. Vegan formula. Can be worn alone or as a makeup primer. Packaging is very nice. It has really nice packaging. I kind of wonder what this is. It's in ta-da. Ta-da. It's kind of like milky. There's something in there. There's something in there because I can see it. I can see it floating around. Ta-da. Anyway, that's ta-da. Oily to matte. I'm excited about this one because anything that's kind of new, you know, something you've never seen, never heard of, never tried, I'm willing to give that one a try. $16, not too bad. I didn't pay $16, so it's not that big of a deal. Now for the 2 bullets. It's Hot Fluff Eclair and Hot Fluff Jelly Roll. They're each $12 and they're bullets. If I could get into this, I would be really happy. I do like this very soft, real soft. The descriptive words are losing, they're like not there right now. It's like a soft velvety feel. Oh, what's that? I'll be damned. It's got his name imprinted on it. Check that. I don't know if you can see. Can you see his name? I'm going to do a close-up when in editing. It's pretty cool. I'm not going to swatch this. You know why? Because it's a lipstick, and I don't, you know, it's just kind of one of those things with me. If I end up giving it away, and I know you guys are pretty much, almost every one of you has said, when it comes to swatches, as long as I'm not putting them on my eyelids or anywhere there's bodily fluids, you know, your nose, your eyes, your lips, a lot of you are fine with me using the back of my hand to do swatches, and you'll take those items if I put them in a giveaway. So that makes me happy. All right, this is that one that's kind of like a burnt orange. I'm guessing this one here is the Eclair. Again, it's got his name on it. Ooh, look at that. That is some orange. It has that brick orange, that clay. You know what I mean? I can't, it's hard to explain, but that's it. That is 6 items so far. I have 2 more in here. So to get 8 items in an American Influencer beauty bundle, we're doing pretty good. Okay, so the next one is Flora 9. It's a matte agave, and that is this eyeshadow palette. It's got 9 little colors in there. They're just your typical everyday natural transition to a little bit darker color. There's no product protector on there. They're really just transition colors, you guys, except for like these 2 down here, right there. Other than that, they're pretty boring. It's a very boring palette. Saved by the patch right here. This is the blemish patches that you put all over yourself. I had to use one right here on my nose about a week ago. I think it was about a week ago. Guess what? I left it on and I went to sleep because you put one on before you go to bed, and then the next morning you take it off. No, the next day after that, I went like this with my glasses, and I was all, what the hell is that? Oh yeah, damn sticker was still on my nose, but I took it off, and that pimple that was there in the videos, remember that? To go back in the makeup videos or something. I think it was Sassy's videos. Anyway, it was gone. So my little blemish patches work perfect. Okay, let's see if we can get in here. There's 36 patches. It's a pimple patch. Well, I mean, I already knew that. Nothing special to see here, so that's it. We're done. This video's taken way too long. But see those little pimple patches? Okay, that's it, you guys. I use this one right here. Love them. Absolutely swear by them. And then the other ones that I have by the cream shop, my daughter absolutely loves them, buys them in bulk because she has that adult acne that's going on. It's a lot of changes going on with her hormones and things and such. She never had any blemishes whatsoever, but now that after she had her second child, she is. And so she uses them a lot. And sometimes you'll see little flower stickers all over her face. You know, she gets up and she puts them on. A few hours later, you take them off and you pretty much, your pimples are gone. So anyhow, all right, you guys, that was it for Jason Wu, American Influencer Beauty Bundle, the curator of the February box. And how much was the grand total? Well, it's right up there. That's how much all these things together value. So was it worth it? $35 a month. You're supposed to get, does it say it on here on the front? Sometimes on the front it'll say your total value, not how much is in the box, but it'll say you're supposed to get at least this amount. I think it's $112 or $120 worth, or something like that. You know what I'm talking about? And you only pay $35. This doesn't have it on there. So I'm going to add everything up. It was already on the screen. I'm done talking. Chatty, chatty, chatty Kathy. That's it. What'd you guys think? Did you like the February American Influencer Beauty Bundle? I think it's pretty cool, except for that everything is so gosh darn universal tan transition. I mean, it's brown, it's like terracotta, it's mocha, it's plum. It's the colors that are for fall, and we're not in fall. These are autumn colors, and they're very warm. You know what I mean? They're just, I don't know. Is it cool? Do they call it cool colors, or are they warm colors? I can't, because guys, I'm not the skindecologist or the cosmetologist, makeup artist. I'm just somebody who can put her makeup on fairly decent. You know what I mean? I can do a look. I can do a look. I'm not all fancy. I've got somebody that's a skindecologist that takes care of my skincare, and she does a fantastic job. Okay, you guys, it's 20 minutes. I gotta get going. Just let me know what you thought about this box. You guys take care, and I'll see ya in my next video. Bye.